Hello everyone, Special Ed here. Thanks for clicking. Hope you enjoy the video. Like, subscribe, thumbs up, comment, whatever you feel like doing. But this is the final video. It's video 4 of table number 1. It's been a lot of fun. This was a circular top that I bought at Habitat for Humanity. And I took the top off and put my live edge river table on top of it. And for my first actual table, this is my second epoxy project. I think it came out pretty cool. It's a little the epoxy's a little weird because it's got I don't know. I'm using this Famo wood epoxy and hardener, and I don't know that it hardens completely. I'm going to go ahead and try out some different ones. You can see there's some imperfections in it. There's some splashes here and there. Actually, I was putting some poly on a table next to it, and I flung a few drips. I'm not sure if we can pick those up, but it's a beautiful table, a beautiful piece of wood. This is sweet gum, and I think you've seen the other videos. I absolutely love the bronze river. So, and the raw edge is really nice too. I just overflowed, make sure I got plenty of coverage with the epoxy. So this one's probably going to go on Etsy or, I don't know, Facebook Marketplace or something. Not even sure what I'll sell it for, but it was fun. And that was the sum total of table number 1. I'll give you a sneak peek at table number 2 right next to it. I think I already have a couple of videos on it, one and two maybe. But this is my next table, if you will, or stand or whatever. But that's pretty cool too. Anyway, I don't want to give you too much. I'm almost done with that, and I'll give you a complete video when that's done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Real quick, any questions, let me know. Comment down below. Any suggestions? I'm happy to hear it. Hope you guys have a great night. Thanks for clicking. Special Ed is out.